Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO X109 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and in the settings we have to scroll down to the very bottom, and that was of course a misclick, to the very bottom to find Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Let's enter. Now let's tap on Show Your Data. And as you can see, actually immediately right in the middle we've got the graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, and you can check that I've been using it for 48 minutes. Basically we've got two different ways to check some further details. So for example, you can tap right in the middle of this graph or on particular app. So let's begin with the middle option, let's say. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the dashboard, which will show us for how long we've been using the device and the screen overall in particular days in the week. After tapping on particular day, you will have all the apps listed with the time you've spent on them. You can change the screen timeout to the notifications received and times opened. So that was the first, that was the first way of checking the details. And the second way is to, as I said, directly tap on the app. So for example, the settings from Chrome and so on. Let me pick the settings, and as you can see, again, we've got the dashboard, but this time it is directly connected to the particular app. You can also pick or check the notifications received and times opened, and daily and hourly. So let me get back. Here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count, and under it we've got the ways to disconnect. So it's quite useful. That's why I will talk about that a little bit. So we've got the focus mode, window mode, and dashboard. And basically they are quite useful if you need, for example, the time for yourself, you need to work, you don't want to be disturbed, you want to sleep, and so on and so on. So for example, let's enter the focus mode, and as you can see right here we've got the list of apps, and we can pick the distracting ones. So for example, let me take Chrome and the messages. Let's pretend that those apps are most distracting for you because I received most notifications from them. We can tap on set a schedule, and as you can see we can pick particular days and also the time, so the start and end time, in which your device will simply mute, let's say, the notifications from those apps, and thanks to this you will be able to rest. So I would say it's quite useful. What's more, here we've got reduce interruptions, so we've got manage notifications and do not disturb mode, and here you can enter parental controls. So basically that's all. This is how to check total screen time in your TOSCIDO X109. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.